Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Kitchen with me Saranya. Today we're going to see the preparation of chocolate cake paniyaaram or chocolate cake pops, which is so healthy with the ragi flour and almond flour. Start with the preparation. Take half a cup of thick yogurt. Take 1 tablespoon of ghee. I've taken homemade ghee. Then add in half a cup of sugar. Mix it well with a spoon so that all the sugar dissolves into the yogurt. Now that the sugar has dissolved very well, add in quarter cup of almond flour. Almond powder is nothing but making the almonds into a powder in a mixie or a blender. Then add in quarter cup of wheat flour. Mix it well and add in quarter cup of ragi flour, which is the finger millet flour. Mix it well. And then goes in quarter cup of cocoa powder. Mix it well. So all the 4 types of flours, that is almond flour, wheat flour, ragi flour and the cocoa powder, is about quarter cups each. The consistency at this stage should be very thick. Now add in quarter teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. Then add in quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then goes in half a cup of milk. I'm just adding little by little. Once you find the consistency to be like an idli batter consistency, stop adding milk, but I've added about half a cup of milk in total. Now the consistency is very perfect, like a cake batter or an idli batter consistency. And now that the batter is ready, take in 1 tablespoon of ghee, add it to the hot paniyaaram pan. Scoop in about 1 tablespoon of the batter into each mold. This easy recipe is a very healthy one for all the kids out there. They will love it with the chocolate taste, but also we are incorporating ragi flour and almond into it. So it's going to be a healthy recipe as well as a favorite snack for any kids out there and any person who love chocolates. So I'm also adding some milk chocolate. If you have dark chocolate, you can also add dark chocolate in the middle. After adding the chocolate, just give a little pressure to press it inside and add some cake batter or paniyaaram batter on top of it. It's been 3 minutes now. Now we can flip it over. Instead of the ragi flour which I added, you can add any millet flour. Add some ghee or oil after flipping it over. It's been 3 minutes now since we flipped it over. We can make sure it is ready by inserting a toothpick, and if it comes clear, it's well and good. Now it has cooked well. Let's take it out and serve it. It's good to serve it hot because since we added chocolate in the middle of some of the paniyaarams, when we eat it hot, it would melt like lava inside. And now the chocolate cake paniyaaram or the chocolate cake pops is ready. It's very soft and has cooked well. Thanks for watching the video. Try this recipe and give your comments in the comment section below. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.